I'm over here at my parents' house today, and they have some kittens in their shed, and I'm coming out to take a look at them because I might be in the market for a kitten. And you guys can help me pick out which one you think I should take. And they're over here. Hopefully the camera adjusts. There we go. Look at these little guys. There's a little orange one there. These are just born. How old are they?
They're not even a week old.
Oh, they're a week.
They're
So
only about, the oldest ones were born on Tuesday.
okay, so there's 9 of them here as of right now.
So they're only like, there was a litter each day.
Wow, so we got 9 of them here right now. You can't really tell them apart. I mean, you got a bunch of gray. Oh, look at that guy right there. They're all just piled up on each other right now. And I'm thinking about taking one of these to be a future outside cat of ours. And I think that'd be really cool. I'm kind of leaning towards this orange one right now, just because that one really stands out from the rest of them. But we'll have to wait a little while and wait until they get a little bit bigger so we can see what they'll look like and which one's a male or a female. I think I'd probably prefer a female. But it'd be a nice little outside cat, and I could use it for getting mice and protecting my property from all kinds of little woodland creatures. And I'm sure Roxy'd love to have a brother or a sister. So these are all the kittens. If you see one that you like in particular, let me know. But I'm going to have some more videos here, and once this time passes by, we're going to pick one out. But this guy right here is cute, and I don't know, can't really even see them all, but I'm not going to mess with them too much. So let me know what you think. Think about just getting a little kitten for outside. That'll be really fun. Uh-oh. Oh, this one's meowing. Oh, you want your mama. Here's one of the mama cats over here. She's cute. Oh, she doesn't like me very much. She's leaving. Oh, this is so hard. I see this one I like too. There's a pure black with a little speck of white on its nose, and it's got little white feet too. And look at this little guy back here. So cute. So stinking cute. I know I said this about all of them, but I really like this one too, with the black and white there. So cute. And this one's cute. They all are. That one's just crawling. So stinking cute. Here they're moving around a little bit. Maybe you can get a different look at a couple of them. It's really tough with the lighting here. But you got the one back here, looks like it's mostly black, and then the orange one, this nice little gray one here. And these guys are kind of just over here in their own little world right now. But yeah, these kittens are so cute. I am in love with these little guys. Maybe I'll just take them all.